Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to see how you can customize your avatar on Instagram and how you can use them in your stories. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, open your Instagram. Now go to your profile section and click on edit profile. Now scroll down a bit and click on create avatar option. Click on get started and here you can create your avatar as per your liking. So here I am creating my avatar just for demo purpose. So you can select a bunch of edit options here like hair color and type, body, outfit, headwear, etc. So after creating your avatar, just click on that done option on top right corner and click on save changes. Now wait until it gets processed and click on the next option. Now you will say that what's the use of this avatar option. So when you are posting any story, then click on that sticker option right on top. Just click on that sticker option and choose this avatar option, and from here you can choose the stickers of that avatar which you have just now customized. So there are a bunch of sticker options which you can choose from that avatar option which you have customized. And this is a very cool feature which Instagram have just announced. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like and make sure to subscribe. Let's meet you all in the next one. Till then, stay safe.